This word is really hard to say, someone. You need to think a lot. Hi guys, I'm Aaron from Korea. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to say I love you in Korean. This word is really hard to say, someone. You need to think a lot, you need to consider before saying it. Because love is different from liking someone. Anyway, so how to say it? I love you. 사랑해. 사랑해요. 사랑해. 사랑해요. 사랑 means love in Korean. I wrote R as 사랑, but it sounds like L as sound. Not 사랑해. 사랑해. Cause we don't have R sound in Korean. Okay, let's see what's different between 사랑해, 사랑해요. 사랑해 is casual informal version. You can say to your friends or someone who's younger than you, like your boyfriend, girlfriend. Honey, I love you. 자기야, 사랑해. 사랑해요 is polite version. You can say to someone who's older than you, like your parents. Mother, father, I love you. 엄마, 아빠, 사랑해요. See, easy. Just remember 사랑해, 사랑해요. What about today? Say I love you to your parents or boyfriend, girlfriend. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more. Okay, thank you guys. See you later.